I'll be showing you how to remove backgrounds on your Shopify images. Before I dive in, I want to mention my new AI Shopify app called PRODKIT AI. It's a 10-in-1 AI creator that lets you ship products 10 times faster. Whether that's generating high converting product descriptions quickly, generating pro quality images for your products, or removing messy backgrounds as well. Yes, it does that too. Or writing blog posts in just seconds. You can start for free as well. And if you have any suggestions on features or anything you want to add in, just let me know and I'd be happy to do so. I'll leave a link in the description below, just be at the top there to make it easy to find. So now let's talk about how to remove backgrounds. So I'm going to open up my products here and let's just open up one of these products and have the image saved on my desktop. So one easy way to remove your product backgrounds is if you're using a Mac, you can just open up the image in preview, go to markup, you'll see this magic wand button. So if we click that, we can kind of drag a little bit and then drag over the area we want to delete, hit delete, and that should remove the product background. So if you hit save, that's one step to do it there if you own a Mac, because everything's already built in. You can just re-upload that photo. An additional way would be to use a tool such as Adobe's Remove Background from your images. It's a free tool as well. It doesn't require a credit card. You just have to upload your photo. So if I upload the same screenshot with my kind of removed background, you can see it's removing it here. And it makes it super easy to download. And that's a quick process too. Something to add in is that when you are removing these backgrounds, you just want to make sure that the file size doesn't accidentally get too large. So I'm going to recommend you use a tool such as TinyPNG, a completely free tool. We can go and upload those removed backgrounds and re-download them. And we can see it's decreased the file size from 530 to 146. And again, you can just download it and re-upload it to your Shopify store. If we go here, we can go and add media. Let's take the one we removed the background on and we can hit done. And just like that, we've removed the background and it's just rinse and repeat in this process. So overall, super easy. And I didn't want to make this video too long here, but that's how we remove backgrounds for our Shopify products. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments and leave a like and subscribe as that really helps the channel out. Lastly, I'll mention PRODKIT one more time. There's a link in the description below, the 10-in-1 AI creator.